Greetings everybody and welcome. In this video we are going to be comparing Mullvad versus ExpressVPN. So we're going to be comparing both of these. So we're going to be choosing finally which one is best. So as you can see on the left side we have Mullvad VPN, and on the right side I have ExpressVPN. I personally use both of these, so let's just dive in and check out which one is best. If we talk about privacy and security, Mullvad VPN is known for its privacy-first approach, and talking about ExpressVPN, it operates under British Virgin Islands, a jurisdiction known for strong privacy laws. Now, also if we talk about winning in the sense of privacy and security, Mullvad VPN is truly an anonymous approach. Now, if we talk about speeds and performance, Mullvad VPN generally provides reliable speed through it. Though it may slightly slower than ExpressVPN due to its small server network, comparing to ExpressVPN, known for its excellent speed, and ExpressVPN has over 3,000 servers in 94 countries, so uses different type of proprietary lightweight protocol. So of course it is going to be winning in that scenario. If we talk about streaming, Mullvad isn't tailored to basically provide streaming services. Of course ExpressVPN is going to be winning in that scenario as well. Finally, if we talk about pricing, Mullvad VPN offers flat rate of around €5 to €6, and ExpressVPN is more expensive, with starting around $6.67 a month for long-term plans. And yeah, so in general you can choose Mullvad VPN if you are into privacy and anonymity are your top priority. It is perfect for users who want to keep things as anonymous as possible. Or you can choose ExpressVPN if you're looking for top tier and all-round VPN and different type of streaming services. So the choice is yours. Different features are offered in different VPNs, and the robust one is going to be, of course, ExpressVPN, since it is industry level VPN. And yeah, so I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Make sure to subscribe. See you guys in the next video.